Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our series of lectures on carbon and its compounds. So far, we have studied in our previous lecture about the hydrocarbons, and today we will proceed in that process. In hydrocarbons, we try to understand that hydrocarbons are the compounds which are made up of carbon and hydrogen. But carbon is a very friendly element. It can also form bond with some other atoms other than hydrogen. So we can also say that the other compounds can be formed in hydrocarbons by replacing one or more than one hydrogens. For example, this is methane, CH4. The structure is C, H, 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 and H. Now, any of these hydrogen atom can be replaced by some other atom, like any halogen atom. Maybe that atom may be chlorine or bromine or iodine, etc. And the atom which replaces this hydrogen is called as heteroatom. The atom which forms bond with this carbon by replacing any of the hydrogen atom is called as heteroatom. Heteroatom. And when this atom forms bond with the carbon, the properties of this compound gets changed. Hence we can also say the heteroatom gives a characteristic properties to this compound. Hence this heteroatom, or it may be the group of atoms which give a characteristic property to an organic compound, this is called as functional group. So we will study about the functional groups. Now, what are functional groups? Any atom which I call it as heteroatom, or the group of atoms which determine the characteristic properties of an organic compound, these atoms or group of atoms are called as functional groups. An atom or group of atoms which determine properties of an organic compound. We can have lot of atoms which can act as functional groups. As I gave you an example of these halogen atoms, this hydrogen atom, it may be this or this. This hydrogen atom can also be replaced by other atoms like oxygen, like nitrogen and sulfur. कहने का मतलब है कि जो हीट्रो एटम है जो इस हाइड्रोजन को यहाँ से रिप्लेस करेगा, वो ऑक्सीजन भी हो सकता है, वो नाइट्रोजन भी हो सकता है और वो सल्फर भी हो सकता है. Hence all these atoms act as functional groups, और ये इस कंपाउंड को, इस ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड को एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, एक पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी देते हैं. डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स हैविंग द सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप. अगर बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स होंगे और उनमें एक ही तरह का फंक्शनल ग्रुप होगा, दी ऑल दोज ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स विल हैव सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, there is a functional group OH. This is called hydroxyl group. If this hydroxyl group replaces the hydrogen atom in methane, if this hydroxyl group replaces this hydrogen atom, it forms methanol. This replaces hydrogen and we get this. This is the functional group. Now, this is methanol. Now, we take another example of ethanol. That's CH3CH2OH. This was CH3OH. Now, both these compounds, these are different compounds. This is methanol, this is ethanol. But the functional group, that's hydroxyl group, is same in methanol and ethanol. Hence, both these compounds shall have almost similar properties. And these compounds are called as families of we can also say these are alcohols. Now let's take the example of some functional groups of heteroatoms. Like if this is heteroatom, let's see the functional group. इस heteroatom का कौन सा functional group बनता है? For example, हेलोजन में हम देखेंगे कोई भी इसमें जो functional group होगा, it may be chlorine, it may be bromine, it may be iodine. And if heteroatom is oxygen, if oxygen replaces the hydrogen in any hydrocarbon, तो इसका जो functional group होगा, that may be hydroxyl group. It can also be aldehyde group. It can also be ketone group. It can also be carboxylic acid group. So when hydroxyl group replaces the hydrogen atom in any hydrocarbon, तो वहाँ हमें मिलता है alcohols. जब this aldehyde group replaces, we get aldehydes. When this ketonic group replaces a hydrogen atom in hydrocarbon, we will get ketones. And when this carboxylic acid group replaces the hydrogen atom in any hydrocarbon, we will get carboxylic acids. Now, we have studied that when any hydrogen atom, one or it may be more than one hydrogen atom, gets replaced by some other functional group in a hydrocarbon, we will get different compounds, and the properties also gets varied from the hydrocarbons, and we get a series of organic compounds. And about that, let's study what is homologous series. Homologous series. What is homologous series? Homologous series is defined as a series of organic compounds. Organic compounds की एक series in which these compounds have similar chemical properties, and all these members of the series have similar structure, but their molecular formula may differ by one CH2 group. So let's define this. Homologous series, it is defined as a series of organic compounds which have same structure. We will try to understand this through an example. which have same structure, comma, chemical properties, but the successive members differ in their molecular formula by a CH2 group. यूँ कहें कि एक सीरीज होती है बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स की, जिनका सबका स्ट्रक्चर सेम होता है, उनकी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी सेम होती हैं, बट उनका जो मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला है वो सबका अलग अलग होता है, लेकिन सब में फ़र्क सिर्फ CH2 ग्रुप का होता है। और हम इसको एक एग्जांपल के थ्रू समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। हम अल्केन्स में एग्जांपल लेंगे, अल्केन सीरीज, अल्केन्स। तो अल्केन्स में है सबसे पहले मीथेन, फिर हमारे पास है इथेन, फिर हमारे पास है मीथेन इथेन प्रोपेन, और हमारे पास है ब्यूटेन। हम इसको थोड़ा खोल के लिखेंगे, ये तो CH4 ही रहेगा, ये है CH3 एंड CH3, ये हमारा CH3 CH2 CH3, ये हमारा CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3। ये हमने थोड़ा इसको खोल के लिखा। देखिए, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मीथेन एंड इथेन इज व्हाट, इसमें C1 है, इसमें C2 है, तो एक C का डिफरेंस है इन दो में। इसमें हाइड्रोजन 4 हैं, इसमें 6 हैं, तो 2 हाइड्रोजन का फ़र्क है, यानी कि और इसमें सिर्फ CH2 का फ़र्क है। नाउ लेट्स सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इथेन एंड प्रोपेन। इसमें C2 है, इसमें C3 है, दैट मीन्स एक C का फ़र्क है। इसमें हाइड्रोजन 3 और 3 6, इसमें है 3 और 3 6 और 2 8, यानी कि 2 हाइड्रोजन का फ़र्क है। तो जो हमने ऊपर पढ़ा कि सक्सेसिव मेंबर्स में, कंसेक्यूटिव मेंबर्स में डिफरेंस सिर्फ CH2 ग्रुप की है, वो हम देख भी रहे हैं। नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रोपेन एंड ब्यूटेन। CH3 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 CH2 CH2, ओनली डिफरेंस इज एक CH2 का डिफरेंस है। सो we have understand what is homologous series, different series of organic compounds which have the same structure, which have the same chemical properties, but the consecutive members differ by a CH2 group, जो कि हमने अभी देखा। तो इसकी छोटी सी हम बताते हैं कि इनमें प्रॉपर्टीज़ क्या क्या होती हैं, स्पेशली जो बता भी चुका हूँ मैं डिफरेंस में प्रॉपर्टीज़ of homologous series। पहली प्रॉपर्टीज है all the members have same general formula। कैसे? as we studied the case of alkanes, whether it's methane, whether it's ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane, every member of the alkane series have the same general formula CnH2n+2. This is the one basic property of homologous series. Next, the consecutive members differ in their molecular formula by a CH2 group। वो भी हमने देखा हाउ, कैसे इसको मीथेन और इथेन, इथेन और प्रोपेन, प्रोपेन और ब्यूटेन के बीच द डिफरेंस इज ओनली a CH2 ग्रुप। थर्ड, द कंसेक्यूटिव मेंबर्स differ in their atomic mass or molecular mass। The members differ in their molecular mass by 14 atomic mass unit। कैसे? क्योंकि कंसेक्यूटिव मेंबर्स हमने बोला सिर्फ CH2 का उसमें डिफरेंस होता है, तो CH2 का हम देखेंगे मॉलिक्यूलर मास कितना आता है. व्हाट्स द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ C? It's 12. What is the atomic mass of one hydrogen? It's 1. And it's 2 hydrogen, तो 2 का 2 हो जाएगा. 2 हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक मास 2 हो जाएगा. 12 और 2 14. That means the difference in the molecular mass between methane and ethane will be 14 atomic mass unit, and the difference of molecular mass between ethane and propane will also be 14 atomic mass unit. And the next property is that the members of series have same or similar chemical properties. So this was all about the functional groups and homologous series. Now we are towards the completion of our unit, and we have left with some topics, and one of the main topics which we are going to study in our next lecture, that will be the nomenclature of organic compounds. So till then, stay home, stay safe, and keep the physical distance. Allah Hafiz.